Mercedes AMG just unveiled the PureSpeed, a SL63 model without a roof and windscreen. Its appearance is much the same as that of the concept car, down to the 300 SLR, referencing humps behind the seats and the Formula One-inspired halo bar that divides the cockpit in two. Mercedes intends to build 250 vehicles as part of its new Mythos line of ultra-limited, probably very pricey automobiles. The number 10s on the fenders and the red and black livery are a reference to the 192 Mercedes-Benz Targa Florio, which took first place in the race that year. To avoid local fans impeding its progress, Mercedes apparently chose to paint their race vehicles in the characteristic shading of Italian constructors. The unique front fascia pays attention to a modern Mercedes, the AMG 1 hypercar, and there are custom aerodynamic features throughout to handle the PureSpeed's lack of roof and windscreen. The halo is a fully structural element constructed of steel, with deployable roll bars behind the rear seats. Mechanically, the PureSpeed is nearly identical to the SL63, with a 577 horsepower version of AMG's 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, a 9-speed gearbox, all-wheel drive, and innovative chassis features such as hydraulic roll control and rear-wheel steering. Mercedes offers two aerodynamically designed helmets for the PureSpeed, each with an intercom system that allows the driver and passenger to communicate with one another. The intercom system also connects to the car's entertainment system, allowing you to listen to music and make phone calls. The interior also has a distinctive IWC Schaffhausen clock on top of the dashboard. The interior is also clearly shared with the SL class, with the screen and climate control vents placed similarly, as well as the steering wheel style. The PureSpeed, on the other hand, comes in a white and black two-tone look with unique leather and stitching for the heated AMG performance seats, with the stitching designed to mimic how air moves around the car. The door sills are similarly upholstered in leather, and a unique analog clock designed by IWC Schaffhausen stands atop the dashboard on a carbon fiber base. The cabin also has a 15-speaker Burmester surround sound system and a center console emblem that reads, 1 out of 250.